Good news guys, finally we got new update from Sketch after a long time, and this is very big update from Sketch 3.9. And Sketch introduced new feature prototype, right? This is hug update. Now you can do prototype into Sketch. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to update your Sketch. Just go to Sketch menu and check out for update if you're not update yet. And after updating you will get a new option over here, prototype. So like you can see, there are so many options you can use. I'll tell you how to use this. Also you can see new icon, preview icon. Yes, you can preview your prototype into Sketch just simply. So this is your prototyping screen, and you can see this is your all artboards. Also you can use symbols, and this one is your home. It mean whatever you select, it will be start point. Okay guys, so let's start it without wasting more time. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this prototype, how to use it. So when you click on this, you will see new option over here, prototype, and when you click on this plus button, you will start create new flow. So like create, and then you will see new option target. Also you can just scroll and move all over the artboard, and from here like select the pages like detail card. I have selected, and there is a few animations, like this one is a hover, and this one is a right, bottom, left, top animation. So right now I'm going to use hover animation, and after this I'm gonna check it's working or not. Click on the preview button. It's simple, and now you can see there's a small tiny cursor is showing. Just click on this. Wow, it's working. It's really working. So let me create another interaction. Just when I click on the close button, then I have to define again the new flow. Like click on the flow button, target, you can define the previous artboard. When you will click on this, it will redirect on your previous. Also you can define from here. Okay, so I'm gonna use previous artboard. It's easy. So right now let's suppose, let me go into my today screen. It's a home screen, and when I click on this, let's suppose I need to go back. When I click on this, it will go back. It's simple, it's quite simple. And let me make today home screen is a starting point. So whenever I click on the preview button, the first screen will come this. So right now I'm gonna make more interaction. Like let's suppose when I click on the game, it will redirect on game page, like simple redirect, like game tab. And you can use also left and right animation. Let's suppose I'm using left, sorry. And also over here, when I click into back, this button, it will redirect into home, just simply like this. Okay, this one. And now right now I'm using different animation for this. So let's see what will happen. Just click on the play button, and now you can see your screen go below, and click on the games. Right now you can see it's so much easier. And again this one. So you can make a good prototyping by using Sketch, and now you can make multiple task flow by using prototyping. So let's suppose when I click on game, it will redirect on game. When I click on today, it will redirect on today page. So it's so simple, it's so much easier. You can do many things by using this, but there is a few things which are not there. Like you cannot use scrolling horizontally. Okay, so if you have artboard and you want scroll horizontally, so let's suppose I want to go in games, right? I cannot scroll horizontally. And the second big thing what I noticed, that I cannot record my screen. So guys, this is the first update, and in future they will might be improve this a lot, but I'm so happy, I'm so satisfied from this update. Finally I can make simple prototype by using this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel guys, and thank you so much for watching this. I am so happy from this update. Please go and check out right now. Thank you so much.